No. No need of diagram also. Those who are unable to imagine is what I brought it. So it will enter that the train will continue its uniform velocity motion. It will continue its uniform velocity motion. Okay, now you see this. This is a velocity. V it is given. Okay, let it be small letter. Here is a hole. A railway compartment. It moving urgent with speed u perpendicular to the a particle moving urgent with speed u perpendicular to the direction of v. So it will enter along. So if you write coordinate system also, if you want, you can take it. Otherwise, not needed actually. Okay, if you take this is x-axis, y-axis, this is z-axis. Now you see this. So the ball will enter perpendicular to the sun along z-axis. It will enter here. It will enter. There's a hole. I think you have everything. So where it has to strike opposite corner B. The G will act here like this. Possible. Where it has entered will be there only. Oh, I think I should bring below. This is below. I have to bring it. This one. Yeah, this is what the okay. It should be the condition should be like this. Okay, now I think we are in better position. This is z-axis. This is a point B. It has to come and strike this particular the ball. Definitely the hole will go. No, what makes it to along? It is having only velocity along z-axis. Am I right? So shall we calculate first the time taken? Let me take this is h. Physics for me very easy online than offline, because in offline we have to write question on the board. Here open data, I'll bring question, I can discuss the concept. Especially the revision, I feel like this will be very good because directly we can bring questions, we can speed up the things. But in offline, what happened on the board, what happened there, writing questions, discussing that, it was a little bit difficult. Visualizations can be brought, but the way the coaching industries may not permit us to do anything, because we have to do so many numericals so that you get exposure to different types of numericals. Then something related to that will come in exam, you'll get a better rank. So I can bring graphics all, but everyone feels that that may not help much in exam. Waste of time. So therefore I'm avoiding it. Okay, now time. I think we know h equal to 3.2 meter. You can see this. 2 into 3.2 by 10. Eight seconds.
0.8.
0.8. Okay, I have some time. He's asking what is the velocity of train and what is the speed which the ball will enter. I think so many questions that are being asked. What to do after this?
Equating distances.
Yeah, that's all. No? So what is the distance moved by the B? It will move a distance of how much? 16 meter. So that 16 meter v equal to 16 meter into t. What is the speed of the ball? Speed of the ball
Then
along
VT is equal to 16, sir.
v equal to 16 by t, and the speed of the ball will be 2.4 by t. Problem over. Okay, I'll get v. V will be
20.
20. Yeah. Yeah. U 3 meter. Oh, yeah, fine. Now there's about v and u we can pick up. To an observer inside the compartment, the path of the particle is parabola. What you first will talk about the person on the ground. Person on the ground, how do it appear for him? Path of particle with respect to ground. Path of particle with respect to compartment, railway or there's a train. Huh? Okay, we should analyze that also, no? It should be parabola.
Both parabola.
What about the with respect to train? Should be parabola
Parabola.
there also. Is telling no it it will enter into all. So for it to enter into all, so definitely there should not be any y component of velocity for the ball when it's entering the all. I think that condition has to be assumed here, because for it to enter into the all, so definitely should have only velocity along z axis. Am I right? I think then only we can manage this question. I think we should think in that way only. Better to say, sir, y has sir any y component of velocity, then it cannot enter into the hole, no?